What's up guys, it's Reese here and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing geometry. The topics we're going to be focusing on is going to be reasoning in geometry. Okay, so we're going to be focusing on reasoning in geometry. Now what are the types of reasoning in geometry? Well, first you have inductive reasoning. So inductive reasoning is where you go from a specific conclusion, specific example, to a general conclusion. Deductive reasoning is the opposite. It's where you go from general to specific. So let's do some examples. Okay, so what type of reasoning is this? Bolivia is in South America. La Paz is in Bolivia. Well, this would be deductive reasoning because it's general to specific. Now, what about this example? The cafeteria serves pizza on Friday. Today is Friday. This would be inductive because it's specific, pizza, to general, which is a Friday. Next, we're going to focus on just regular reasoning. So, we're going to give a counterexample to show how these next examples are false. So this example says all odd numbers are prime. Now this is false because 2 is a prime number. Next we have vegetables are green. Well, this is false because carrots are orange and a vegetable. Next one says balls used in sports are round. This is false because football uses a more cone-shaped ball. I'm going to give you 2 examples and you're going to decide if the conclusion is reasonable or not. So this example says Tom weighs less than Orlando while Frank weighs more than Orlando. Frank weighs more than Tom. Is this conclusion reasonable? I would say yes. Tom weighs less, Frank weighs more, so Frank will weigh more than Tom. Next one is Sharon plays soccer. Sharon wears black cleats, so soccer players all wear black cleats. This is false because just because Sharon wears it and she plays soccer doesn't mean everyone who plays soccer wears the same cleats that are black. So those were some real world problems. Now let's get to some math problems. We're going to be stating a reasonable conclusion based on deductive reasoning, which is general to specific, and all of these statements are going to be true, accepted as true. Angles with equal measures are congruent. The measure of A equals the measure of G. Therefore, A and G are congruent. All squares are rectangles. MNOP is a square. Therefore, MNOP is a rectangle. 3 non-collinear points determine exactly one plane. A, C, and K are all non-collinear points. Therefore, A, C, and K determine one plane. I hope you understood the reasoning in geometry. Make sure to give it a like and subscribe.